Have you seen this type of photos which have multiple photos blended together? We call it multiple exposure. In this video I will show you how to create multiple exposure. Open all your photos in Photoshop. Go to the first document. Right click on the layer and choose duplicate layer. Select the destination to move your photos in the main composition. Go to the next photo. We will make this photo very dark, so when we change the blending letter to screen, the dark parts will be removed. Press Ctrl and L to open levels. If you drag the white slider to the left, it will make brighten the bright parts on the photo, and the dark slider darken the dark parts. I will take the quick selection tool and select some part of it, which I don't want for blending. I will delete the selected part. Press delete and this fill window will appear. From contents choose white and press OK. Now let's move it to the composition. Right click on the layer and choose duplicate layer. Where do you want to move it? Just select the document. Close this document. Let's go to the next photo for our blending. We just want these ducks, not the background. Press Ctrl and L to open levels. Drag the white slider to the left and you know it will brighten the bright areas. If we have a white background and when we put the blending mode to multiply, the white parts will not show anymore. You will see it later. Move it to the composition. Let's hide these top layers and keep focusing on just one by one. Let's remove the main background. Choose quick selection tool. From the top, click on select subject. It will easily select the subject. Now click on select a mask. Choose refine air and press OK. Click on the mask icon to remove the background. Let's add a solid color for the background. It will work better with white, so I will choose white. Now drag it under the layer. Click on the eye icon to show the layer. Press Ctrl and T to transform the photo. Drag the width to the right and make the photo bigger. Here is fun. Change the blending mode from normal to screen. Show the next layer. Change the photo blending mode to screen and you can see it is making beautiful negative space. Find the best place for it. I resized it and made it a little bigger. You can see the white background on the duck's photo, but when we change the normal mode to multiply, it will hide the white parts. Resize the duck's photo, and if you want to flip it, just right click on it and choose flip horizontal or vertical. It is almost done, but we don't want these effects on the face. Because of that, select the layer and click on the mask icon. Take the brush tool and make sure the color is set to black. Decrease the opacity and start painting on the face. It was our exciting tutorial of today. If you want more of these and learn more tutorial about Photoshop, Illustrator and NFTs, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notify bell so when I uploaded a new video you will get notified.